Hi dear customers, today we'd like to introduce one security zipper for you. Look at here. This is the standard one, just one side with the monofilament chain, the another side without. So for this one, it can be separated easily from the middle side by pen or by other sharp things. And then in order to the zipper can protect the goods in the luggage bag, such this one luggage bag, okay, or for other bag which should bear the strong heavy. So we made this zipper, and many customers buy. This is the double layer security zipper. If you are interested for subject this zipper, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.